Hello everyone, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Pre-Education Hub. Today we are going to study about Art Integration Project of Science. So in this first we are going to study agriculture practice of Uttarakhand. Like most parts of India, agriculture plays a significant role in the economy of Uttarakhand. Owing to its vivid topography and diverse agroclimatic environments, subsistence farming is practiced in most parts of Uttarakhand. The hilly areas of Uttarakhand practiced is mixed cropping, while in the plain areas single crops are grown. Crops like basmati rice, wheat, coarse cereals, pulses, etc. are widely grown in Uttarakhand. Agriculture is the backbone of Uttarakhand and is practiced by many people. Agriculture, it is the chief source of livelihood for over 70% of its population. Commercial agriculture is practiced in the plains, and the hill farmers are predominantly engaged in subsistence farming. Major crops grown in the state are rice, wheat, sugarcane, maize, soybean, pulses, oilseeds, and a number of fruits and vegetables. Many hilly people of Uttarakhand have taken agriculture as their main occupation as it gives them bread and butter. So we have discussed about the agriculture practice in Uttarakhand. Now we are coming to Karnataka. The agriculture system forms the backbone for the economic development of Karnataka. It contributes 37% of total state domestic product. Karnataka state covers an area of 1,92,204 square kilometer or occupies 5.35% of the total geographical area. Agriculture plays an important role in the growth of Karnataka economy despite a fall in its share in the state domestic product. Agriculture employs more than 60% of Karnataka's workforce. It is heavily dependent on southwest monsoon. Karnataka is leading states in plantation and garden crops. It has ideal soil and climate suited for raising crops of temperate, tropical, humid and arid region are grown. The topography of Karnataka is such that it immensely supports agriculture activities here. So this was about the agriculture practice in Uttarakhand and Karnataka. Now we come to next topic. We are coming to soil in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has various types of soil, all of which are susceptible to soil erosion. There are 5 main types of soil in this region: quartzite soil, volcanic soil, brown soil, alluvial soil, and tertiary soil. Quartzite soil is generally found in Nainital district. In north, soil ranges from gravel debris from glaciers to stiff clay. Brown forest soil, often shallow, gravelly, and rich in organic content, is found further to south. The Bahabar area is characterized by soils that are coarse textured, sandy to gravel, high porous, and largely infertile. In the extreme southeastern part of state, the terrae soil are most rich clay. Loams mixed to varying degrees with fine sand and humus. They are well suited to the cultivation of rice and sugarcane. Now we are coming to soil in Karnataka. Red soil. This soil is obtained from the weathering of granite. It contains iron oxide and hence it is red in color. It is rich in iron, lime and salt, but contains small amount of humus. It is light, has thin layers, and it is not very fertile. Its capacity for moisture retention is less. It is widely distributed in Karnataka and found more in South Karnataka. Ragi, jowar, bajra, millets, pulses, tobacco, and groundnut, which are rain-fed crops, can be grown in this region. In this soil, black soil. This kind of soil is formed by the weathering of basalt rocks. It is rich in aluminium, magnesium, and oxides of iron. Hence, it is black in color. It is also called black cotton soil. This soil has the ability to retain moisture for many days. Since it is rich in soil nutrients, a variety of crops can be grown in this soil. For example, cotton, jowar, maize, sunflower, chili, paddy, pulses, and onion. This type of soil is extensively found in districts of North Karnataka. Laterite soil. This kind of soil is found in areas which receive heavy rainfall and have high temperature. Water-soluble lime and silicates dissolve in rainwater, settle down in the lower layers. The soil becomes soft during rainy season and dries up during summer, leading to the formation of laterite rock. This rock is used for construction purposes. Cashew, coffee, tea, cardamom, pepper, rubber, coconut, and other commercial crops are grown in this region. Coastal alluvial soil. This type of soil is formed along the coast due to the deposition of alluvium and sediments carried by the rivers and sea waves. As such, the coastal districts of Karnataka like Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, and Uttara Kannada have this type of soil. This soil consists of sand and clay. It is very rich in organic nutrients. Paddy, cashew, coconut and banana and other crops grow well in this type of soil. Now we are coming to climate of Uttarakhand. So this is climate of Uttarakhand. The climate of Uttarakhand is temperate, marked by seasonal variation in the temperature, but also affected by tropical monsoons. The climate of Uttarakhand is sharply demarcated in the case of its two divisions, the predominantly hilly terrain and the smaller plain region. The most favorable time to visit Uttarakhand happens to be in the course of the summers, when the weather is very clement and mild. Certain areas of hills even become inaccessible in winter due to extremities of climate causing prolonged snowfall. The plain region seems to be at its best in terms of climate in winters when weather is pleasant. The climate in the northern part of Uttarakhand is typically Himalayan. This mountain range itself exerts an appreciable extent of influence on monsoon and rainfall patterns within the Himalayas. Climate differs depending on altitude and position. Uttarakhand is characterized by two types of climate, sharply differentiated in the plains and the mountainous regions. Now we are coming to climates in Karnataka. Karnataka has tropical monsoon climate. Main characteristics of this climate are hot and moist in summers and cool and dry winters. But there is diversity in the climate of state. This area is an arid zone North interior Karnataka receives the least amount of rainfall in the state and average annual rainfall is just 731 mm. South interior Karnataka. This region spreads over the districts of Bangalore rural, Bangalore urban. Coastal Karnataka. This region stretches over many districts. The area receives heavy rainfall. The average annual rainfall in the coast Karnataka is about 3,456 mm, which is much more than the rainfall received in the other parts of the state. Due to its varying geographic and physiographic conditions, Karnataka experiences climate variation that range from arid to semi-arid in the plateau region, subhumid to humid tropical monsoon in the coastal plains.